last, this is our sneak peek. Fold, look at that, unlocked with my face. So on the front, 6.2-inch external screen. Look at that, beautiful. Infinity O display. And inside, you're just gonna bring it on open. There it is. Now this is, in my opinion, a tablet that folds in half and goes in your pocket. And look, it's all kinds of fingerprinty gross. We can fix that. Got another microfiber cloth. Want to get in nice and close for you guys. You can see that triple camera on the back. And there you go. Now, I'm not going to give away too many of the technical details. There's still a lot that's coming down the road. There'll be more of an announcement about this, about pricing and availability. But there it is. Super sleek, super thin. I love it. Let's see if we get the hinge in action here real fast. I'm just trying to line it up with the camera and the light for you guys. Yes, dual speakers. Yes, USB Type-C charging. There's that new hinge. I got this so gorgeous and love it. I know this. At this point, it's just like beautiful phone shots, right? And again, that brushed finish, which you're also seeing over on the tab. And I love this device. When it is open, this is the one thing I wish. Well, I guess the light is playing a little bit. You can kind of see it right there. You can feel a tiny little seam right there. But when you're watching content straight on, that is probably the best shot I'm going to be able to give you of that one. But there it is. I mean, it is flat. It is beautiful. The screen is gorgeous. Colors are fantastic. Look at that. Super responsive. I don't have anything else to swipe through. There you go. I didn't even put a SIM card in it yet. But beautiful. Took some pictures of waves. Love waves. The crease is not like last year. Now, it is still one of these things. Here's some AR emoji stuff for you. If you guys want to see what I do in the meantime here in the office when nothing exciting is going on, that's what I do. Sorry. Now you saw it. Secret's out. There you go. Comparison-wise, there you go. A flip versus a fold. Both 5G. Z Fold 2 5G will be taking advantage of, will be able to tap into T-Mobile's sub-6 and millimeter wave nationwide 5G coverage. This thing is fantastic. It's not for everybody. It is delicate. Yeah, it's a flexible display, so it's not rough and tumble like your notes. There's not an IP rating that I'm aware of, but I will tell you, it's pretty awesome. So that